Alright guys, how's it going? This is GK the Trader here, back with another trade recap from today. It is June 9th, 2023. As you can see here, the executions, they're not fake. You can see the arrow pop up there. If someone shows you executions and whenever they tap on it and the arrow doesn't, here I'll go down here. If that doesn't show up, then they're fake executions. But anyways, I'll put the labels on there. So we sold short at 4322. Covered at 4311.25, so 10 3/4 of handles. So I'll take that off there. So the first thing I'm going to bring attention to is time of day. So it's 10:30, which is not exactly at 10:30, but around that time. A lot of reversals tend to happen intraday. Whether it could be short term like this one or long term. But anyways, so if you take a look at these highs right here, we made a higher high here, sweeping this high. But then if you go over to NASDAQ here, we see that NASDAQ failed to make that higher high, so we now have SMT divergence, which is, it's just one extra confluence to a trade. It's not why I took the trade at all, but I'll just have that labeled here. So SMT, we have time of day. And then if you look here, ever since the 9:30 opening, we really didn't have any retracement. It just kept going in a trend. Trend is your friend, right? Well, you can see how that worked out for those who kept chasing price higher. And if we go to the higher time frame here, we see buy side has been cleared. So this week's high, these two equal highs here, deep premium, and then we'll go down to the 15-minute. I'll take this line off here. So this was the target here, this 15-minute gap, and then these two lines right here, I'll go regular trading hours. Obviously we didn't get to that. There's a reason why I took my profit right at the high of this inefficiency here, but I did want to see if we can get down into this regular trading hour gap. Okay, back to the 1 minute. You see here, after we have the SMT deep premium, you see this kind of trend line going here. That's trend line liquidity. So people would buy, or retail would buy here, 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 and here. And now you can see here we have a market structure shift below the swing low. And then this blue shaded area right here is our breaker. So high, low, higher high, trades below it, breaks those who were buying. That's why it's called breaker. Anyway, so this down close candle right here, we had the market structure shift. We trade back up into that. That's where I went short right there, no hesitation. And you know, I got a little nervous when we traded up here immediately, but not really, because I was confident in my trade. But anyways, you see how we got back up to the breaker, reused it, and filled in all these inefficiencies here. This one right here, here, and here. And then this is now acting as a balanced price range. And what is this? That would be this 15-minute gap right here. So you see how it uses that as inversion. That's what you want to see. And I'll leave that there. I think that pretty much wraps up the recap here. That's everything I used for today's trade. Yeah, I hope you guys did well today. I'll see you guys Monday on a live stream. Until then, have a good weekend. Be safe.